In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a virtual prepaid Visa card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem a prepaid Visa gift card. Regardless of which type of card you have, you will be able to use it on any place. So when you acquire a physical or digital Visa card, you will be able to redeem it by using the card number, expiration date, and security code. On a physical card, you will find it printed onto the card itself, but if you acquired a virtual or digital one, then it's usually going to be emailed to you. Once you have the full card number, expiration date, and security code, it's as simple as going over to any place that accepts standard debit or credit cards and proceeding to checkout. So in this example here, I have Amazon. Simply proceed to checkout, and once you reach the payment method window, add a new credit or debit card. There's no secret to this. You include the full card number, the name on the card, which can be yours, the expiration date, and security code. It is going to act as a standard credit or debit card, and you don't have to go through any alternative menus. Like I said before, it will mostly be accepted on anywhere that standard debit or credit cards are used. So an example would be Amazon, but it should also work on eBay, Costco, any other place. As long as you have enough balance on that card, you will be able to use that virtual prepaid Visa card. If it is not working, make sure that it is activated, and if it needs to be activated, you will usually call a specific number on the card itself, or if it was emailed to you, or visit a website. And after it is activated, it's as simple as using it just like any other credit or debit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a virtual prepaid Visa card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.